All right, well, we're back here. It's Sunday morning, pretty early.
We just got the bug back from having it away for a couple weeks. It was getting a roll cage put in it.
So anyways, we'll give you a quick gander at the roll cage, what we got going on here. So we had to modify, well, we had Jim Reed actually help us out with it. He's pretty good, very smart man. So we took part of the old roll cage. It was a different size, so we had to cut it up a little bit so you can see. Now the seat, because of the way the body is on the bug, without doing a full tube chassis, you don't have really much to actually support with. So what he did here is he made a plate, so it's gonna actually raise the seat up. And then here's the brackets, and now the seat just mounts it here, and then it'll bolt back here, and then your shoulder straps can come on here. So you had to do quite a bit of modifications to make it all work. So now we're gonna paint it all up. He made a bracket across. So he fabricated this bracket right here. Just move the angle so you can get a better view. So now it's bolted right onto the motor mount. So now it will avoid the motor from twisting around. So yeah, so what are you gonna work on today, Chad?
We also got our K-Pro ECU from Auto Laminar in Vaudreuil today. So we're gonna throw a couple grounds onto the motor and we're gonna wire it up and hopefully get it started today.
Sounds good.
Brought my laptop over, so we're gonna double check and make sure there's a base map in there. We still have stock injectors in there, and none of the turbo is wired in, so we're just gonna
Let's see where the ECU is here. So here it is. Here's the bad boy. So that's basically what you get for about $1,200. Well, we got lucky, I think, on the price. That was Canadian.
a couple of Honda stickers so we can throw on there.
And yeah, so anyways, we're gonna just probably start picking her on this today. I'm gonna start doing the painting on the roll cage here. Maybe put some gravel guard down on the flooring, and Chad's gonna start wiring, grounding everything, and hopefully by today we'll have this thing up and running, and then the fun will begin. What do you think?
I think it's time to get started.
All right, let's do this.
Alright, so the seat's installed, ready to go. We got our grounds installed. We got the ECU plugged in. It's just temporary. We're gonna have to clean up all that wiring after. But looks like we're ready to plug in the laptop. Double check on the double check on the base map, make sure that's installed and the immobilizer is disabled. And then we're ready to fire it up.
Things gonna go, Chad? Think we're gonna get her in the first shot?
Well, we've got no coolant in it for now. We're just gonna run it for a couple of minutes.
Yeah, let's see what we get out of it. When we get sparked, I think it's gonna run. We got old gas in it, but I don't think it'll matter. I think it'll be enough to fire it up. Well, we got sparked this time.
Well, the immobilizer's disabled, so it should be good to go.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll try to run it for a couple seconds.
All right, so we got the base map loaded up, and we got the immobilizer disabled. Matt's sitting in the car here getting ready to start her up. We don't have our throttle cable completely installed yet, so I'm just gonna sit here and manually control it. All right, go ahead and fire it up, Matt. Yeah. Well, one more time.
What's the run? He's alive. Why is she dying? I think it's still gonna get that fuel in the back. There's still shitty fuel at the bottom.
Give it throttle and stuff.
Yeah. I probably can't burn that fuel. You know what I mean? It might be too much. Let's try to get it running and we won't give it fuel. Give it a little bit of fuel.
I don't like that. It's not firing.
Alright.
It's not firing on all cylinders there.
You don't think it's firing on all cylinders?
Not at the end there. All right, so we got it running for now. It's not running too well. We got some bad gas we're trying to work through.
Well, it's a start though. It's promising. Give it one more time just for the help of it. Water pump is not what I want to get.
Wow. My eyes are starting to water.
Well,
All right, so we're gonna shut her down for now. We'll take apart the spark plugs, make sure they're clean,
some new ones in maybe.
make sure we get the rest of the old fuel out of the line there, and we can start working on the turbo plumbing.
Sounds good. That's probably it for today, but we'll let it rip.
All right, thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll add some more videos as we go along. Thanks, guys.